Hey guys, welcome to Road Activities. This is your boy Ronnie here. Hope you're all doing good. So basically, I'm going to give my bike for service at the Marthahalli service station. So I have few issues with the bike, and I've started to get even the reminder on the display, low fuel, and even I'm getting even for service. Yeah, service reminder. So I contacted the service guy. I told him I'm coming there. So they said if you pay extra 100 rupees, there is something called service express. So you just come there, just wait for 1.5 hours, you'll get the bike immediately. I mean within 1.5 hours. So you have to just pay 100 rupees. I said okay, fine, I'm coming. So I'm on the way. So basically the issues that I had with this bike, as I told you, when I leave the hand, there's always a slight pull to the right hand side. So I need to have a check on that. Then the other issue is when I got the bike, 3 times it happened. When I start the bike and when I keep it on idle for almost 5 minutes. Post that, when I take the bike and when I'm on the way, it suddenly just goes off and then turns back again. So I'm not sure what is the issue. This issue started before all these modifications. The chargers, the Mad Dog lights, before that. So now the issue is resolved, but I still would love to highlight that to them and have a check. Then the chains are loose, so this is all comes in the normal service. They'll take care. I have the Platinum NGK spark plugs, and even I have the KN filters. I have a plan of installing that. So I'll go to the showroom. I'll see if they can do it. First I'll get Chandru is there, so I'll check with him. I'll get his opinion. And then if possible, if he gives a go ahead, only then I'll change it. So once I reach there, we'll go back to the video. So guys, I've reached the service center. So as soon as you reach the service center, there's a security here. He will come, check the temperature, he'll sanitize our hands, and after that they have a sanitizer spray. They'll spray it on the grab rails, the footrest, and on the handle where we would have touched those places. They have sanitized. You can see that they have sprinkled the sanitizer, making sure that the infection does not spread to anyone. So that's a good thing that they are doing here. Good.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in us. They know we'll burn down.
So guys, that is the manager over here. He is sanitizing the entire showroom. That is Mr. Nayak. They're actually doing a fabulous job. So he makes sure that he sanitizes the entire area, and make sure that nothing goes wrong. So that's a good thing. You always feel safe that you're coming to the showroom, because we don't know so many people coming from other areas. So Bajaj is making sure that they take all the necessary precautionary measures to make sure that there is no issues that happens. That is kudos to Bajaj for this. Kudos. So guys, they don't just sanitize the area even where we sit. That is the area where even they sanitize. They take all the precautionary measures over here. This is not because a guy is there with a camera. They do it every 3 to 4 hours. They keep doing this, to make sure that there's no infection spread that happens inside the showroom. I mean inside the service center. So this is how it works over here. Chandru, கொஞ்சம் சொல்லுங்க என்ன what all you're going to replace? இப்போ என்ன பண்ண போற?
பேட்டரி
பேட்டரி
செக்.
இல்லை, இந்த சர்வீஸுக்கு என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க?
பேட்டரி
ஆ
ஃபஸ்ட்டு ஏர் அடிக்குங்க, பேட்டரி மெயின்டெனன்ஸ் பண்ணுங்க,
ஓகே.
செயின் மெயின்டெனன்ஸு,
ஆ
பெட்டிங் போல்ட் எல்லாம் டைட் பண்ணுங்க,
Tight பண்ணுங்க.
செயின் சேஞ்ச் பண்ணுங்க, 2 டிஸ்பேட் சேஞ்ச் பண்ணுங்க.
ஓகே. அதுக்கப்புறம் வந்து இது என்ஜின் ஆயிலும்
இன்ஜின் ஆயில் ஃபில்டர் சேஞ்ச்
oil filter. Okay, sir. So guys, basically he will clean the battery. He will check the status of the battery, and after that he will check both the brake pads. He will check if that is totally fine, and then he will check if everything is working, if everything is tight, if everything is any bolt nut loose. He will have a check. So here again he's checking the battery.
ஓகே.
So the battery is good, so there's no problem. So post that they will change the engine oil and the oil filter. They will change these two things. Rest they will check if there is any issues or not. So you can see that they are even maintaining a social distance, and they're taking care of all the service. Guys, I spoke to Chandru. He said not to change the air filter just for second service. He said yes, we can go ahead and do it. Chandru, second service eppo?
Second service 4,500 to 5,000 kilometers.
So the second service is 4,500 to 5,000. So at that time we can go ahead and get those changed. Till then, he said it's better not to touch those.
Tonight, we're gonna let it up, babe. Tonight, we're gonna let it up. Just like the sunrise, we're gonna let it up.
ஸ்டெயினர்
Strainer.
ஸ்டெயினர் இது இங்கே ஒரு ஸ்டெயினர்
அங்கே ஒரு strainer.
யாரும் கழட்ட மாட்டாங்க இது.
ஓ அங்கே. ஓகே ஓகே ஓகே.
அது கண்டிப்பாக
அப்போ இது ரெண்டுமே வந்து மாற்றணும், க்ளீன் பண்ணால் போதும். ஓகே. So guys, basically when you're doing the service for Dominar, this is the strainer for the oil strainer. So he said this is what they normally clean. They don't clean the inside one which is over there. So he's going to clean that also. So those who own a Dominar, make sure that you clean this one and the other strainer also. So I'm showing you the location. It is right over there. So that's the strainer over there. You can have a check, see. So basically guys, what he was telling is that does not need to be changed, it just needs to be clean until unless you are changing the entire oil. So mine is a new bike. He said changing is not required, just cleaning. Even for the second service, changing is not required. It is based on our request. If we request, they will change it, or they'll just top up the oil, they'll clean it and they'll put it back. That is how it works. So guys, this is the diesel. He's going to now clean the chains.
Just like a spark that's breaking out. Can't make a stop, can't turn back now. We know that there's no room for doubt. No, we can't turn back now. I see danger in your
இது வந்து ஆயில் ஃபில்டர் தானே?
அதுதான் ஆயில் ஃபில்டர் ஓரிங். நல்லா ஆயில் ஃபில்டர் சேஞ்ச் பண்ணால் ஓரிங்கும் கம்பல்சரி சேஞ்ச்
பண்ணணும். ஓகே. So guys, when you are changing the oil filter, you have to compulsorily change the washer. That's what he said.
We'll burn down the night, coming just like the sunrise. You know that we're gonna light it up tonight. We're gonna light it up, babe. Tonight we're gonna light it up just like the sunrise. We're gonna light it up.
they have checked the fork. There's no problem with the fork. So I think the problem is the weight balance. Anyway, once I get the bike, let me just have a check, and I will update you guys on that, on the pull, on slight pull on the right hand side. So as of now, I cannot comment anything. So once I get the bike from service, I will let you know what all is being done. I'll give you an update, detailed update. So I hope you guys would have watched as of now what all they have done. So they are oiling the side stand, everything they are taking care. Every single point they are just oiling and making sure, you know, it is smooth. So guys, they're going to adjust the chain. So this is how they do. Basically a person will sit and then they will do the adjustment. What they'll do is after this they will loop the chain. That's the one. They'll be looping the chain, and that's it. The service is done. புது சாஃப்ட்வேர் வந்திருக்கா என்ன? இல்லை ஜஸ்ட் ஃப்ளாஷ் பண்ணு.
ஃப்ளாஷ் பண்ணணும்னு சொன்னாங்க. கம்பெனியில் மெயில் பண்ணிக்கிறாங்க.
ஓகே.
ஃபீல்ட் ஃபிக்ஸ்ன்னு வரும். இப்போ என்ன கம்பெனியில் வந்துச்சுன்னா நம்ம இந்த வண்டி நம்பர் அச்சுன்னா ஃபீல்ட் ஃபிக்ஸ்ன்னு வரும்.
ஓகே ஓகே.
இதெல்லாம் என்னன்னா ஒரு ஃபீல்ட் ஃபிக்ஸ் பண்ணாங்க, அதுக்கு வந்து செக் பண்ணி இப்போ ஃபீல்ட் ஃபிக்ஸ்ன்னு கொடுத்துறாங்க. என்னன்னாக்கா ஃப்ளாஷ் பண்ணணும். So basically guys, this is a new bike. So once they put the vehicle chassis number, they'll get the status. So Bajaj has mentioned that they need to flash the ECU, so they're going to do that. Flash ECU. So they are flashing the ECU now, and that is the wrong.
Okay.
Delete. Okay.
Okay. இப்போ புதுசா வந்துச்சு. Okay. Update ஆச்சு. Okay. Okay guys, so the flash of ECU completed successfully. That's done. So that's it. இதுக்கு அப்புறம் என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க? அவ்வளவுதான்.
பேக் பண்ணிட்டு கனெக்ஷன்
எடுத்துட்டு அவ்வளவுதான்.
ஸ்டில் பார்த்துட்டு அவ்வளவுதான். லாஸ்ட் ஃபைனல் இன்ஸ்பெக்ஷன் ஆகும்.
Okay.
Inspection done. Polishing.
Okay.
Then again you have to do the sanitation.
Okay.
Delivering the vehicle, do the sanitation for handlebars, everything.
Okay.
Then we deliver the vehicle and we will give a testing. Then do the vehicle.
Okay. So guys, basically what they'll do is right now they'll take the bike, they'll have a test ride, they'll do complete check. Once that is done, they'll sanitize the bike again, and post that only then they'll hand over the bike to the customer.
when the supervisor, he was inspecting, he found out that the coolant is low, so they are going to add a bit of coolant. So guys, one way it is good that there are two-way inspections that happen so that nothing goes missed. That's a good part. So guys, now they are polishing, adding some polish. So basically guys, you can see that they are sanitizing the handlebars. Where all there would have been contacts, they will sanitize. So it's good to see that such kind of things are being taken care by Bajaj and the employees. Okay.
So this is engine oil change, sir.
Okay.
Engine oil top up. That is a total engine oil.
Okay.
And this is the oil filter change, sir.
Okay.
And this is the oil filter O-ring.
Okay.
So these are the spare parts.
Okay. These are spare parts.
Okay.
That is.
This is a consumable polishing
Okay.
and express service, sir.
Okay.
So you have the morning. That's the
yeah.
express service.
Okay.
Immediately start. That's the express service.
Okay. Fine.
And if you have any issue, you can call to my number.
Okay. Yeah.
I'll
Sure.
give my number, sir.
Sure. So guys, you can note down Nayak's number. I will give the link in the description. You can find his number over there also. I'll share even the address. So he's a wonderful guy. So please do come and say hi when you come to this site. He'll definitely help you out if you have any issues. Mr. Nayak, thank you so much. Thank you.
Sir. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you.
So the first start of the service. Thanks. So let's hit the main road, then only we'll actually know. So previously, so my RPM was locked till 6 to 7. It's not, I would not say it is locked. It the RPM blinks earlier, so that's the right thing to say. So I need to check if that is gone. But when I spoke to the mechanic, what he told me is that once it is 1000 kilometers, it automatically changes. So I'm not sure about that too. Everything you will know only once with your experience. I would like to see if the handlebar issue is resolved or is it still there. Let me just check. Okay, safe distance is there, so I still feel that there's a slight, it's not too much also, a very minute pull to the right side. I think it's just because of the balancing. I mean, the weight management needs to be taken care. I think if Bajaj is hearing this, the weight management is something which you really need to look into. I would not be able to comment also if there is any harm, because unless you start going for a long ride, only you will come to know if there is any issues you face. Normally when there is an off balance in the long stretch, you will feel the pain on your hand. So let's see if that's going to happen. Maybe not now, down the line. So that's all, guys. As I say, ride safe, take care, God bless you, bye.